Hi, this is Mrs. Wiederholt, and welcome to my lesson video on order of operations. Now this will be a quick review, so let's get started. In Algebra 2, we use our order of operations a lot. It is actually a pre-algebra skill, but a lot of times with math, if you don't use it, you lose it. And that's how it can be with order of operations. That's why we're doing this quick video review. Now, PEMDAS is just an acronym to help us remember the order of operations. The P stands for parentheses, and that just means look inside the parentheses, if there are any, to see if you can take care of or do any operations inside the parentheses. The E stands for exponents, and that's the second thing you're supposed to look for, is are there any exponents? Now remember, as you look for your equation or look through your expression for parentheses and then exponents, we go from left to right and we take care of them as we see them. Now, after we've taken care of our exponents, we go through the expression looking for multiplication and or division. Now again, I start at the left and I move towards the right. If I happen to see a division sign before a multiplication sign, that's okay. I divide and then multiply. Finally, I go through the expression from left to right looking for addition and subtraction. And this is the same as with multiplication and division. If I happen to see a subtraction sign before I see an addition sign, that's okay. I will subtract and then I will add. You do it in the order that you see it. Now let's do a couple of examples. My first example is 3 plus 6 times 3 squared minus 4. So the first thing I do is I go through the expression from left to right looking for parentheses, and I see parentheses. So I'm going to try to simplify that. Well, 6 times 3 squared. Well, before I can multiply, I have to work with my exponent. So here we go. I'm going to rewrite the 3 because I'm not doing anything with it yet. So that's 3 plus 6 times, well, what is 3 squared? That's 9. Close parentheses, minus 4. Okay, now I'm going to go back through from left to right again. I still have parentheses, but this time I can do what's inside the parentheses fully. So I bring down my 3 plus 6 times 9 is 54, and then minus 4. Now I'm left with addition and subtraction, so I will go through and say 3 plus 54 is 57, and 57 minus 4 is 53. Now let's look at the next example. We have, opening up with a double parentheses here, we have 8 minus 3 squared plus 4 plus 2 to the third power. Now when you see a double parentheses, especially, well, it doesn't matter which side, left or right, that tells you you have a parentheses within a parentheses. So this right here is the parentheses that's within this bigger parentheses, okay? So you always work from the inside out. So we're first going to work with this one right here. So inside that parentheses, I have 8 minus 3, which is 5. So basically, I've just gotten rid of the parentheses around the 8 and the 3. So I now have 5 squared plus 4. And I'm going to close the parentheses. Plus 2 to the third power. Now I'm going back through the expression again. I see that I have parentheses, and inside the parentheses is an exponent, so I'm going to take care of that. And then as I move on, I see that I have another exponent, and I'll take care of that. So 5 squared is 25. So I have 25 plus 4. I don't really need the parentheses anymore. Plus 2 to the third power. Well, that would be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So now if I look and I go from left to right, I only have addition. So here we go. 25 plus 4 is 29. And 29 plus 8 is 37. Well, I hope this short review has helped you remember and understand your order of operations, and I look forward to working with you again. Bye-bye.